Are you dealing with frizzy hair and dry skin? Today I'm going to review the miracle oil that will transform your hair and skin forever. The results are shocking. Keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna, but you can call me Jo. The first ingredient we're going to use is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower promotes hair growth, prevents scalp infection, deep conditions hair, helps with age spots, encourages an all-round fresher, younger, smoother looking complexion. And then we go for cloves. I'll be really worried about you if you haven't heard of cloves. Cloves is very popular and it has anti-inflammatory properties that can clear out blemishes, ensure even skin tone. It boosts hair growth by increasing blood circulation and enriching the scalp with oxygen. So I'm going to crush it to make it easier for the oils to extract the goodness we are looking for. Our next ingredient is peppermint. I will be using peppermint tea bags. Peppermint has got menthol, and that is the main component which has shown to increase blood flow to the scalp. It soothes inflammation, irritation, itchiness on the skin and scalp. And then we go for green tea. Mine happen to have lemon in it, but if you don't have it, don't worry too much about it. Green tea has a powerful antibacterial agent for treating acne, unclogging pores, support healthy hair growth. And now to the oils. I chose grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil adds moisture, strength, and shine to the hair. It also reduces inflammation and hydrates the skin to plump fine lines and wrinkles. And the next oil is sweet almond oil. This oil is excellent at purifying the skin of buildups of toxins and help in unclogging the pores. It also encourages hair growth and many more. Look at how rich the oil looks already. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Now we are ready to extract the goodness, the fun parts, and I like it. To ensure we have high quality oil with maximum components or minerals, I will not be putting the oil on direct heat. What I will do is to set the oil in hot boiling water and leave it to do its own thing. So allow it to sit in the hot water for as long as you want it. I changed the water, I think a day after. So I had 2 days. I left it for 2 days, and this is the oil. Look at that. I love it. What do you think? Hi guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification button so you don't miss any video. Thank you. We are now going to strain the oil and we are good to go. I love this oil. I mean, it looks so rich and it's very moisturizing, extremely moisturizing. It's good for the hair and it's good for the skin as well. So you can use it both ways, either your hair, your skin, or both. It doesn't really matter because all the minerals that we've extracted from the ingredients are excellent for the hair and skin. See how rich this oil looks, and it shouts luxury. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Like you can drizzle this oil on your salad? I'm joking. Anyway, put this oil in a container of your choice, enjoy, and watch your skin and hair transform miraculously. In terms of the measurement of the ingredients, I eyeballed everything. I kind of used common sense and preference. So feel free to experiment this yourself. Use this oil as a sealant, hot oil treatment, pre-poo treatment, and all the treatments you can think of for your hair, and as a general use to your skin. See how this oil feels and looks on my skin. Try it and let me know, guys. What do you think? But before that, please like, comment, and share this video with friends and family. Until I see you again next time, please take care of yourselves, stay beautiful, and I love you. Take care. Bye.